Key syllabus changes. Syllabus content remains largely the same with minor tweaks, such as added cover to the UK's Protection of Premises Act 2025, Martin's Law, for NGC students on premises risk assessment. The open book exam, GNC1/GIC1, stays scenario-based over 24 hours with no major shifts. Practical projects now score out of 100, pass at 60%, require exactly 10 hazards across at least 5 categories, use immediate/medium/long-term timescales, and include a single prioritized hazard justification with legal, moral, business, and general reasons instead of 3 action sheets. Transition rules. New enrollments from February 2026 follow the updated spec. Existing students stay on 2018 if they pass their old project, NG2/IG2, but can request a switch if resubmitting a major rewrite. Unattempted old projects auto-switch to new. Results carry over, with final 2018 assessments ending August 2026. Projects submit directly to NEBOSH from March 2026. 60 working days for results, up from 50.